Dear students, in this video we will devise a method to insert more than one harmonic means between two given numbers. For example, we are asked to find more than one harmonic means between two given numbers a and b. Let h1, h2, h3 and up to hn be the harmonic means which we will insert between a and b. If we insert these harmonic means between a and b, then this will become a harmonic sequence or harmonic progression. This is the first term, this is the second term, this one is the third term, and so on. How many terms are there in this sequence? The total terms in this sequence are n plus 2, because this is one term a and b and the harmonic means are n, so total terms are n plus 2. If we take the reciprocal of each term, we are getting arithmetic sequence. Now 1 over a, 1 over h1, 1 over h2, 1 over h3, 1 over h4, 1 up to 1 over hn, and then 1 over b. Now this is an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, and we will treat this as arithmetic progression, and we have done one video before on finding arithmetic means between a and b between two given numbers. So better watch that video first. Okay, so let's move further. This is the second term, this one is the second term. The second term is obtained from the first term by adding the common difference d. So 1 over h1 is equal to 1 over a plus d. Now the third term, this one, is obtained by adding one more d with the 1 over a plus d. 1 over a plus d, this is the previous term, 1 over h1. Now we will add one more term with it to get this thing. Now the fourth term, this one, is obtained by this formula, 1 over h2, 1 over h3 is equal to 1 over a plus 3d. One more d is added to it and to get 1 over h3, which is the fourth term. The fourth term is obtained from the third term by adding one more d with it. And then 1 over h4, which is the fifth term, is obtained by this formula, 1 over a plus 4d, and so on. 1 over hn, and this is basically n plus 1 term. Why this is n plus 1 term? Because this is the first term and this one is the second term. The second term is 1 over h1. h1 is written, but this is second term. This is the third term and h2 is written over here. This is the fourth term and h3 is written over here. So this will be hn is written, so this will be n plus 1 term, and the 1 over b is n plus 2 term. N plus 2, this is n plus term number n plus 2. So 1 over hn will be equal to 1 over a plus nd, because 1 over h1 is 1 over a plus d, 1 d is there. In 1 over h2, 2 d's are there. In 1 over h3, 3 d's are there. In 1 over h4, 4 d's are there. So in 1 over hn, n d's are there. 1 over a plus nd. And 1 over b will be equal to, so one more d is added to 1 over h1 to get the next term, 1 over b. So 1 over b is equal to 1 over a plus n plus 1d. And from this we will obtain the formula for finding d, which is this one. D is equal to 1 over b minus 1 over a divided by n plus 1, or d is equal to a minus b divided by ab divided by n plus 1. By simplification of this formula, we are getting this one. We will use either this formula or this formula up to the feasibility. Let's do the example. So how we will find h1, h2, h3 H4 and so on. We will put this, the value of D, which is obtained from this formula, in equation 1 to get H1, in equation 2 to get H2, and in equation 3 to get H3, and in equation 4 to get H4. So in this way, what will be the next one? 1 over H5 is equal to 1 over A plus 5D. So if we put D is equal to something, what is the value of this? We will obtain the value of D from this formula or this formula, and we will put it over here to get H5. The first example is A is given, B is given, and we are to find 2 harmonic means, so n is equal to 2. The formula is 1 over B minus 1 over A divided n plus 1. So D is equal to, why we are using the first formula? Because A and B are given in fractions. So to remove the fraction, this formula is suitable. So 1 over B is 8 minus 1 over, this is B. B is 1 over 8. So 1 over B is 8. And 1 over A is 2. N plus 1. So 2 plus 1. And we are getting D is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 1 over H1, as we have found, this is 1 over H1. This is 1 over H2, 1 over H3. So we are using these formulas. So 1 over H1 is 1 over A plus D. Putting the values of A, what is A? A is 1 by 2 and 1 over A. We will put the value 1 over A. So 2 plus D. What is D? 2. So the answer is 4. 1 over H2 is equal to 1 over A plus 2D. And so 1 over H2 is equal to 2 plus 2 into D. So the answer is 6. So 1 over H1 is 4, 1 over H2 is 6. This is 1 over H1. So what is H1? H1 is 1 over 4. H2 is 1 over H2 is 6. So H2 is 1 over 6. So A, H1, H2 and B. What is A? A is given 1 over 2 and B is given 1 over 8. H1 is now 1 over 4. H2 is 1 over 6. So these are the harmonic means between A and B. Find 3 harmonic means between A and B. A and B are given. So we are to find 3 harmonic means. So n is equal to 3. D is equal to 1 over B minus 1 over A divided n plus 1. This means D is equal to 1 over B, 17 divided by 7 minus 9 divided by 7 divided 3 plus 1. This means D is equal to 9. So 8 divided by 7 and divided by 4. So 4 1 is 4 and 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 2 divided by 7. Now the first harmonic mean 1 over A plus D. 1 over A, 9 divided by 7 plus D. D is 2 by 7. 1 over H1 is equal to 11 divided by 7. So H1 is 7 divided by 11. 1 over H2, the second harmonic mean will be obtained by this formula. 1 over H2 is 9 divided by 7 plus 2 into D. 9 by 7 plus 4 by 7. 13 divided by 7. This is 1 over H2. So H2 is 7 divided by 13. Now for the third harmonic mean, we use this formula. One over H3 is equal to 1 over A plus 3 into 2 divided by 7. So this means 9 divided by 7 plus 6 divided by 7, 15 divided by 7, and this value is for 1 over H3. So what is H3? H3 is 7 divided by 15. So we have found all the three harmonic means which are required, and these are inserted between A and B. So A, H1, H2, H3, and B. What is A? 7 by 9. H1 is 7 by 11, 7 by 13, and this is H2, and H3 is 7 by 15, and B is 7 by 17. So these are the required harmonic means. Find 4 harmonic means between A and B. So n is equal to 4 because we are inserting 4 harmonic means. What is the value of D? D is equal to 1 over B minus 1 over A divide n plus 1. So D is equal to minus 1 by 2 because this is B. So 1 over B is this one, minus 1 over A, 9 divided by 2 and divided by 4 plus 1. So this means D is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 and 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 minus 2 is minus 10, and 2 minus 1, 2 1 is 2, and over here minus 1, 2 are minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. So the value of D is minus 1. Now the first harmonic mean, 1 over H1 is equal to 1 over A plus D. 1 over H1 is equal to 1 over A plus D. D is this one. So 9 minus 7 divided by 2 is mean 9 minus 2 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2, and H1 is 2 divided by 7 because this is the value of 1 over H1. So H1 is reciprocal of this. Now 1 over H2 is equal to 1 over A plus 2D. 1 over H2 is equal to 9 divided by 2 plus 2 multiply 1. This means 9 minus 4 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. So H2 is equal to 2 divided by 5. 1 over H2 is 5 by 2. So H2 is 2 divided by 5. Now the third harmonic mean is equal to 1 over A plus 3D. This means 1 over H3 is equal to 9 divided by 2 plus 3 multiply minus 1 because minus 1 is the value of B. 9 minus 6 divided by 2, and the answer is 3 divided by 2. So the value of 1 over H3 is 3 divided by 2, so H3 is 2 divided by 3. Now the last one, 1 over H4, 1 over A plus 4D. 1 over H4 is equal to 9 divided by 2 plus 4 multiply D. 9 minus 8 divided by 2, so the answer is 1 by 2. The answer of 1 over H4 is 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, and H4 is 2. So A and B, and then H1, H2, H3, H4, and so first is A, 2 divided by 9, then 2 divided by 5, 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 7, this is H1, 2 divided by 5, this is H2, and 2 divided by 3, H3, and 2, and B is minus 2. With this I end the video. If you still didn't subscribe this channel, so subscribe it so that you get the next video on time. Thank you.